Start by removing the two battery covers located at the bottom of the front of the machine using a Phillips screwdriver to remove the 6 screws from the covers. Using tweezers, detach the 2 wires located at the corners of the battery. Make sure they do not touch each other, as this could cause a short circuit. Take off the 2 screws that fasten the battery to the body of the machine, and then remove the battery. Prepare the new battery. Make sure it is 6 volts. Put the new battery in its place and tighten the 2 screws back with the Phillips screwdriver. Then connect the 2 cables back to the battery. Remember that the red cable goes on the left side of the machine and the black cable goes on the right. Put the battery covers back in place and tighten them with the Phillips screwdriver.